Hey there friends, it's Steph from Squishy & Co. And today I'm back with a tutorial on 3 different methods for how to tie a slip knot. So the first method is the one that I use. You'll lay the tail end of your yarn in your palm and wrap the working end once around your pointer and middle finger. Secure wherever it crosses over with your thumb. And then on the back, we're going to open this loop up a bit. Take our working yarn and push it through, and then just pull on both ends to tighten. So I'll show you that one more time. Tail end of the yarn in your hand, wrap it once around pointer and middle, secure with your thumb, open this loop up a bit, and push your working yarn through. So the second method, we're actually going to begin with the tail end of our yarn. You'll wrap it once over your pointer finger and cross it over. So you'll see you have this little X here. Now we're going to secure that tail end. Now we're going to take our working yarn, wrap it up and over our finger, and we'll secure that as well. Now you'll take the left loop, pull it over the right and off your finger. And then you can just pull to tighten. So I'll show you that one more time. We're starting with the tail end. We're going to wrap it once over our finger, cross it over, secure that tail end, take the working end, wrap it over your finger, and secure that end. Now pull the left loop over the right loop and off your finger. And that's your second method. The third method is actually going to use our crochet hook, and it is similar to how you begin the magic loop method. Lay the tail end of the yarn over the palm of your hand. Take the working end and wrap it once around your pointer and middle finger. Cross it in the back. So we're going to secure this. Take your crochet hook and insert it under the loop and hook your working yarn. Pull the working yarn under the loop and up. And now you can pull on the loop and your tail end to create your slip knot. All right, I'll show you that one more time. Tail end over your palm, wrap the working yarn once around your pointer and middle, cross in the back, insert your hook under the loop, hook the working yarn, pull it under the loop and up. Now pull on both ends to tighten your knot. And that's it, 3 different methods to tie a slip knot. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, please be sure to like and subscribe, and drop me a comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite method and if you found this helpful. See you next time.